All right, this is lesson 1, finding directions. Objective, to use a compass rose or direction arrow, also called direction indicator, to find directions on a map. Maps give you many different kinds of information. One kind of information that nearly all maps show is direction. When you read a map, look for an arrow or other pointer to help you find directions. The 4 most important directions are called the cardinal directions. 2 of the cardinal directions are north and south. What are the other 2? So you're going to answer that. You've got to name the other 2 cardinal directions. The North Pole is the northernmost point on Earth. No matter where in the world you are standing, north is toward the North Pole. Likewise, the South Pole is the southernmost point on Earth. South is always toward the South Pole. East is the direction that the Earth turns. It is the direction of the sunrise. West is the direction opposite east and is the direction of the sunset. If you know one direction, you can figure out the others when you face north. South is straight behind you. East is to your right. West is to your left. Let's look at the top right-hand side of this page. To describe directions that are not exactly north, south, east, or west, people combine these words. For example, the direction halfway between north and east is called northeast. The direction halfway between south and west is called southwest. Northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest are intermediate directions. Add all 4 intermediate directions to this diagram. The drawing you have made is called a compass rose. Some maps have a compass rose to help you find all these directions. Other maps have a pointer that show only one direction, usually north. North is often at the top of the map, but not always. So be sure of the directions. So you should look for the north arrow or compass rose. Let's look at this map it says use the map of the Yellowstone National Park to answer the following questions. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to open this up with Cami and blow it up to where you can see it really well. And if you need to look at specific areas on the map, you can do that. So you can do that while I'm reading the questions to you, and then answer the questions and pause it as we go. Number 3, find the north arrow on the map. Which edge of this map is the northern edge? Is it A, left, B, right, C, top, or D, bottom? Number 4, what state is on the northern boundary of Yellowstone National Park? A, Idaho, B, Wyoming, C, Montana, or D, Colorado? Yellowstone National Park is all of the yellow area there. So look for those boundary lines for the states. Number 5. What national forest border Yellowstone on the west? So look for that western side of Yellowstone National Park. And then is it A, Shoshone and Teton National Forests, B, Gallatin and Targhee National Forests? Is it C, Targhee and Teton National Forests? Or is it D, Gallatin and Shoshone National Forests? So 2 national forests border Yellowstone on the west. Which 2 are they? Number 6, what direction do you travel to go from West Thumb to Old Faithful? So West Thumb, right in here, West Thumb, and then Old Faithful over this way. Okay, so it's either A, north, B, south, C, east, or D, west. 7, What river flows into Yellowstone Lake from the southeast? Is it A, Snake River, B, Belcher River, C, Yellowstone River, or D, Madison River? Number 8. So, okay, we're going to look for the Yellowstone Lake, and it's right in here. So what river flows into that from the southeast? Now we can do number 8. Which of these is located in the northwestern corner of the park? Is it Belcher, A, Silvergate, B, Gallatin, C, or Pahaska-Teepee, D? Number 9. What mountain lies northeast of Inspiration Point? Mountains on this map are represented by a black triangle. Is it A, Mount Holmes, B, Amethyst Mountain, C, Saddle Mountain, or D, Sulphur Mountain? Number 10. If you come into the park's west entrance at West Yellowstone, what is the shortest way to West Thumb? So you're coming in the park's entrance at the West Yellowstone entrance. What is the shortest way to get to West Thumb? Is it A, go east to Madison Museum, turn south to Old Faithful, follow the Grand Loop Road east to West Thumb? Is it B, go east to Madison Museum, turn northeast to Norris, take the Grand Loop Road through Canyon and Bridge Bay to West Thumb? Is it C, go west on Highway 20 and 191, turn north to Old Faithful, follow the North Loop to West Thumb? Or is it D, go west on Highway 20 and 191, follow the Grand Loop east to West Thumb? Good luck on this, and remember, you can always take your time, blow it up, look at different spots on this. I'm sending you a colored version of this digitally, so you should have that. And good luck on this. Take your time.